Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, well, if you've noticed, we haven't really been driving the 6.0. There's a reason for that. So we'll go over that in a minute, but I gotta move the white truck. I'm gonna move the aluminum duty, get it out of the middle of my shop driveway, in preparation for something that I'm planning on picking up in the next couple of weeks. So since it's nice and the ground is kind of soft, we're gonna go ahead and move those. So the white truck doesn't have a battery at the moment. I'm just gonna put it in neutral, pull it with this out of the way. It doesn't need to go far, just out of the way. And then we're going to scoot the aluminum duty over. So we're gonna do this, and then we'll kind of talk about why I haven't been driving the 6.0 here. All right, y'all. So we moved the white truck, we moved the aluminum duty. So that's just kind of that. But anyway, we got a few more things, and it's starting to rain. So I'm not going to film outside the rain, and y'all probably don't want to listen to it raining. So I'll catch y'all tomorrow. It's supposed to be a little nicer. Well, as you can see now, it's very windy as well. It's supposed to be a little nicer tomorrow, so I will catch y'all tomorrow, and we'll go over this. But in the meanwhile, I'm going to get in here and see if I can find some parts. All right, y'all. So it is now a couple days later, but well, like I said, I had some issues with the truck. Now tires are scooping. Now, one thing, if y'all remember, I took this truck and got it aligned. I didn't, well, no, hang on, let me go back. If y'all remember, I put a tie rod in on this thing. I didn't film it, but I did take this, I got it aligned, supposedly. And now the tires are scooping pretty rough. So that's that. But aside from that, this thing is death wobbling like nobody's business. So we got out here the other day. I had my grandpa kind of, wiggle the steering wheel around, and let me, well, and it's also weird. This tire is scooping really bad on the inside. That one's scooping really bad on the outside. But if y'all will listen here, I'll show y'all. I can't show y'all because I tried to film this the other day by myself, and the camera wants to focus on the fender and then the tire, and not what's actually an issue. So if you listen, if you hear that loose play, that's the track bar bushing, not the ball joint, the bushing. I figured it was the ball joint. I don't typically, death wobble means track bar on one end or the other. And, well, it ended up being the bushing. So I ordered a bushing. It should be here today. So I got to get this down there and get this torn apart and ready for that. But anyway, that's kind of that. So we're gonna do that and probably go ahead and rotate the tires. And then I got a buddy who works at another shop who said they can align this truck. So the normal shop that I have do my wheels and tires all the time, I asked them, I said, hey, this is what I got, can y'all align it? I even gave them the truck is this wide, can you align it? And well, we don't know, just bring it in and we'll try it. No. If y'all been in business that long and you don't know, that's probably not it. So like I said, I'm sure y'all can hear that on camera. So like I said, that is the bushing for the track bar. So anyway, here in a little bit, I'm gonna take this down there, like I said, to the shop, get it all tore apart, get the old bushing pressed out. I ordered a bushing, like I said, it'll be here today. I was gonna order an adjustable track bar, but I plan on lowering this truck, and I don't know how those work, because I know typically they advertise those for lifted applications. Currently this truck has a 3-inch lift on it, so that'd be perfect for that, but I don't know if it'll work for what I'm planning on. So that is well, that seems to be the deal. I'll go ahead and lock this. So these are always kind of fun to get lined back up afterwards, but nonetheless, we got to get that guy replaced, and like I said, I need to get these tires rotated. So I have to go get my jack stands from I guess friend, something like that. The big, I think they're 12-ton stands. We'll get this thing up in the air, and well, go ahead and get these rotated, put the center caps back on, and all that fun stuff. So there's that. And then also, if you've seen the ABS light on the dash, that is because I ripped this wheel speed sensor wire off. Now, I seen it dangling, I thought, oh, easy enough, I'll get a new wheel speed sensor or a new hub, and we'll be good. Bada bing, bada boom, done. Well, no, because it actually ripped it off on the truck side, on the truck's wiring harness, not the wheel speed sensor. So that kind of complicates things. So at some point I need to go to a junkyard, see if I can find one of those plugs, and I guess splice it onto this one, or see if I can de-pin this, solder them back together, and then re-pin it and do that. But we'll figure that out at some point. So anyway, guys, I guess that is that. So like I said, we'll get these guys rotated. They're looking pretty rough. These are 2 years old and have maybe 10,000 miles on them. So that's not great. But we'll get them rotated, get them on the back, even them out a little bit, and well, we'll go from there. But anyway, guys, that is that. So we're doing some maintenance on the truck. Get that bushing swapped out, and then we'll check it again, make sure the ball joint is not worn, and well, we'll go from there. So anyway, guys, I believe that's probably gonna be a wrap for this one, because I wanted to do a more detailed video on that, and then see if we can figure this out as well. But